Well, the installer is critical. I mean, they are the ones who are going to put it in, and the quality of the install. You know, you could have leaks through roofs. We try not to penetrate roofs with our installs. How neat they will install it, how aligned everything is, how well the system is performing. If the electrical is done incorrectly, it's not going to work. Of course, safety is of critical concern. You know, the actual electrical work that is done and the design and the installation, you've got to consider this is live power, and you really want trusted people to be installing that for you. So some of the issues that might happen if you use a poor installer, you can certainly have ingress into your roof of water. You can have electrical safety issues. You can have just a generally negative experience throughout where, you know, should something occur, a poor installer is one who is not going to come back when you need them. It absolutely pays to pick the right installer for the job. A good quality product can be installed poorly, but a great installation will match the product warranties.